I'm so excited to share a revolutionary handheld device to eliminate dark spots on your hands, arms, décolleté, and back. Cryokleen is based on the liquid nitrogen method used by doctors, and it's the first and only at-home device to remove age spots. The innovative self-treatment works by freezing the area to be treated, causing the skin to react. It's effective, precise, fast, and easy to use. Applying freezing cold to the area to be treated triggers the natural skin healing process. That's how Cryokleen gets rid of the spot's pigmented cells, revealing brand new skin. First, use the meter in the box to measure the size of the spot to be treated. The hole should not be more than 1 millimeter larger than the spot. We have 4 sizes available to measure your age spots. If the spot requiring treatment is bigger than the applicators, please refer to the instruction manual for the adequate application procedure. Activate the device by gently pressing the ridged area on top and turning counterclockwise to the on position. Choose the applicator that matches the number measured, and that corresponds to the size of the age spot that will be treated. One treatment is equivalent to 4 to 6 sprays. Insert the applicator into the hole in the device. Keeping the can in the upright position, press the top 4 to 6 times, ensuring that the device is pressed firmly against your skin, waiting 3 seconds between presses. The slight freezing sensation is the cryotherapy working. For stubborn spots, you can use up to 4 treatments, waiting 15 days in between. Hold the applicator in place for 10 seconds after the last press to optimize the freezing action. Over the next 15 days, the spot will become darker and scab before falling off, revealing brand new skin. The skin will continue to heal and even out over the next 60 days. That's it, your treatment is completed. For more information, visit cryokleen.ca.
Cryokleen. Look younger, feel younger. Now in Canada.